Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing fine and keeping safe. Today I'm going to do my monthly shopping. But before that, I have to get some things from town. So come with me and hope you'll enjoy watching this video. I've been I love doing my shopping from Power Star. So another thing, when you do monthly shopping, it saves a lot of money. So try it and you'll see you'll save a lot of money. You can greatly subside your shopping bill if you make a shopping list and make sure you stick to it. Try and get things when they are on sale. That way you'll save a lot. Done shopping, so let's get home. This is the following day. My kitchen was messy. I had to clean it up before showing you guys what I got.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together.
I'm done cleaning the kitchen, so let's unpack our shopping.
We getting crazy in a different role.
This month my total shopping was 7,092.
We getting crazy in a different role.
I love Pearl. You guys should try it out. That was 5 kg. It will last us for a whole month. Guys, there is a difference between the blue pearl and the orange one. The blue has a long grain, while the orange one has a extra long grain. Yes, and the orange one was going for 475. That is 2 kg, and the blue one was going for 459. That is 2 kg also, and ilikuwa inakuja na ndengu, so hiyo ilikuwa a good deal. And the 1 kg was 230. Then sugar, I got 3 kg. the 1 kg was going for 136 and the 2 kg was going for 273, sorry guys. So that 3 kg will last us for 1 month.
We getting crazy in a different role.
Then there is top fry cooking oil. It was going for 1171. This one will last us for 1.5 months.
I've seen things that you wouldn't believe.
Roast cocoa beans, that is 1 kg, nikachukua mbili, so it was going for 198 each. Then there is coconut milk, was going for 205. Prestige margarine, that is vanilla flavored. I use Prestige to make chapatis, bake. You guys, you should try it out. Kwanza when making chapatis, hey, the best. Ebu try it, then you tell me. Instant coffee, it was going for 226. I love it. Then there is quincha. My sons love quincha. It was going for 204 bob. Then there is Raha Premium Kafagara 2 kg. It was going for 129 bob. Then Ajabu wheat flour. I use this to make chapatis. It was going for how much was it? 146. Yes. Ex mandazi. I use ex mandazi to make mandazis, pancakes. I know imeandikwa mandazi. Someone will ask, inapika pia pancake? Yes, it does. Try it. So 4 kg will last us for a month. Rosy tissue 10 rolls was going for 2 or 3 bob. Last us for a month. I like making my food with Royco cube, and this one was going for 98 bob. Paprika was going for 58 bob. Safisha bleach was going for 108 bob. I use it to soak my son's clothes, especially the heavily soiled clothes. Then there is sanitary towel was going for 50 bob. Then there is Safisha glass tile and window cleaner. I've never used it before. It was going for 156 bob. Toss liquid detergent, again I've never used it. This was my first time. It was going for 201. Hope it works for me. Yeah. Then there is gentle care. fabric softener, which was going for 199 bob. Again, I've never tried it, so hope it works for me. Novita biscuit, it was on offer. It was going for 150. Then there is diapers. It was going for 208 bob. Then there is cozy serviette. It was going for 65. Then there is fermented milk, was going for 56 bob each. I got 4 of them. Yes, and we are done with shopping. And guess what, guys? I managed to save 2,000 bob. Yes, I did. The secret is make sure you stick to your shopping list. Make sure you make a shopping list. That is a secret number 2. And lazima uchukue vitu zenye ziko necessary, the things that unazihitaji sana. I guess that is the secret I used, and I ended up saving 2,000 bob. Yes, so let's try and arrange everything. That's where I store extra toiletries.
Everything you do is bad. Love me. Everything you do is bad. Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe when everything you do is bad. Love me.
Thank you so much, guys, for sticking by. Until next time, bye bye.